Alright, hey guys, it's me, Ren, again. Um, and today we'll be unboxing a Hamilton Beach microwave. Yes, this is pretty random, but I did say I was going to do this anyways. Alright, I don't actually plan for you guys to watch most of these, what's the word? Most of these uncreative videos, but I just wanted to get some videos out. And since I bought this stuff, I might as well open it up for you guys. Maybe you guys are interested in buying one yourself and wanting to see what it looks like and stuff like that. And that was the point of this video. Alright, let's get into it. Alright. Alright, got my handy dandy scissors for you guys. I apologize in advance if the audio is kind of quiet. As I mentioned in the last two other videos, it is it's like 3:45 in the morning. I'm up because I've been having chest pains all morning and George won't let me sleep, so hope you guys enjoyed looking at the cat in the last two videos. Don't get used to him being in the videos, okay guys? Well, he might be, I don't know yet, I haven't decided. Alright, I've never actually unboxed a microwave before, so I've never actually bought a nice microwave before. Alright, so this is what to expect, what it should look like. Alright, here's the glass plate for it that you put inside of the microwave. Here is the, what's it called? My least favorite part. I actually don't like this. Alright, next. Let's try to get the actual microwave out of here. Alright, this is where the handy dandy scissors come in, you guys. Oh yeah, I didn't mention it in the last video, but the next Otaku box, the votes are Konako from High School DxD, and the Vermilion chick from Black Clover that's on Yuno's team. Those are the votes for this, for September's box. Before we continue getting into this, because it's going to be a little bit loud, I'll say this now. I picked up 2 boxes for September. One comes with the $20 figure, while the other one doesn't. So, I want to see what the difference is. Alright, well, let's get back into this. Alright. I don't plan on doing a face reveal for you guys. Sorry. Okay, this thing's gonna be really awkward to pull off. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Maybe flip it, open it that way, pull it out this way. A lot harder with just being one person. Alright, hold on. I should have done that from the start. Alright. The microwave is out. Let's move these two. I will be showcasing the microwave. I'll open it for you guys. I'll open the microwave for you guys so you guys can see what it's like on the inside and stuff. As with all my other videos, I don't edit. I'm not going to be editing these videos for you guys. I probably won't be doing a lot of professional work until I get back to, until I get more experience or pay someone to edit my videos. So, alright. Got that out of the way. Here's the microwave. Pretty sexy, you guys. Ooh, that was loud. Alright. That's it. That's what the microwave looks like. It's a nice color. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, because I'm pretty sure that probably woke up the entire house. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye. Oh, say bye to George, too. George.